What's up, hungry people? John Juan here with Is There Any More? And today for lunch, we did Old City Cafe and Grill located at 20 North Union Avenue in Cranford, New Jersey. Check it out. Old City Cafe and Grill specializes in authentic Lebanese cuisine. The owner, Rafi, says the food reminds him of his homeland and they cut no corners in delivering their authentic dishes. Rafi tells me that real ingredients for authentic cuisines like Indian, Italian, and Lebanese can spend over a month at sea and even more months in customs and warehouses, so they sometimes lose their efficiency and flavor, which is why he pays top dollar to ensure that he gets the freshest ingredients straight from Lebanon quickly and safely. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so that you never miss a dope place to eat like this. When I asked what were some of the most recommended dishes, I was immediately served up a chicken platter, which comes with fresh chicken tender cuts marinated in Lebanese spices for 24 hours before grilling. He also recommended the Old City Mix for two, which comes with 3 skewers, a shish kebab, which is a grilled chicken skewer, a shish kebab, which is a filet mignon skewer, a kefta kebab, which is a beef and lamb mix skewer, 2 lamb chops, a pocket of shawarma with sirloin, 4 falafels with rice and salad. I think it's also worth noting that this place is BYOB, serving up fine wines like Chardonnay, Revolutionary Red, Dry Riesling, and Pinot Grigio. Old City Cafe hooked us up with a couple amazing dishes. First, we have this shrimp platter that comes with these giant shrimp served over a pita with your choice of french fries, rice, or a salad. We went with the french fries for this one. We also got the chicken platter that comes with the same choices of sides, but for this one we got the salad and we got the rice. I think it's time for us to see how everything is tasting, right? This garlic tomato sauce is really the truth. It tastes great on everything. I like that this place has healthy alternatives. The salad was really fresh. I watched them cut it up with the house dressing and the mint leaves. They complement the juicy chicken cutlets so well with the buttery rice with vegetables inside, man. Well-balanced meal for any time of day. And these giant shrimp are absolutely delicious. It's packed with flavor and it goes so well with that garlic sauce. Definitely a favorite so far. 2 thumbs up. If you're looking to catch up with Old City Cafe and Grill, they're open from Sunday to Thursday from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. and on Fridays and Saturdays from 12 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. You can also catch them on Instagram at Old City Cafe and Grill. Don't forget to tell them John Juan sent you now, all right? Again, this is There Any More? I got an amazing lunch that I'm about to finish up here, guys. So until next time,